Okay. Okay, and the next thing you do is what? Check all your switches.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so they're all up. This one's the most important one.
Yeah, that one.
And then turn on your transmitter.
Welcome to OpenTX. Switch warning.
Still says there's a switch, so let's check.
Here?
Try it.
Engines disarmed.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll plug in the battery for you. Remember, don't hit any switches while I do this, okay? And then I just want you to keep it around you. I don't want you to go all the way out there. Let's see if we can get some control. That's it. Okay, and then spin it around. And then, whoop.
Engines disarmed.
Whoa, careful. Control your throttle now. That's it. Nice. Good job. Okay, try not to move. See how you're moving backwards?
Yeah.
Try not to move, because you can control the thing to come back. If you move and you trip, then you could hit one of those sticks. It can go anywhere, right? See if you can do the yaw spin the other way. Yeah. Oop. That's it. Good. Try and practice them both ways, because I got stuck only being able to do it one way, and then I had to learn to do the other way.
Yeah, I can't do this one. So
It's harder, right? Yeah, me too. There's a guy that reads my posts. His name is Cyborg.
Yeah.
He actually taught me. He told me, he said, you're always going to the right, try and go to the left. So I've been practicing that. He's a big help. Woo. Nice.
I don't know why
Okay, careful now, careful. Oh,
Engines
Yep.
disarmed.
okay. Now we gotta take a look at it, because whenever the prop hits the ground, hits the dirt, we gotta go make sure it's not bent, because if it's bent and you start it up, yeah, it'll go all freaky. So we'll take a look. Before you do it, make sure you're not touching the switch, because that'll just start spinning, okay? So the props look okay. I don't see, nothing's bent. Okay, just hang on, let's make sure we're not wet here. Okay, stand back, and then screw it up. Nice, buddy, good control. Getting good at those yaw spins. Okay, careful.
Engines
Good.